Can you make 20 pips in 5 minutes? I challenge you. Open your trading platform, no matter demo or live account, and trade for 5 minutes. Did you make 20 pips? 20 pips is fraction of the day trading, and I know many are targeting 100, 200 pips, thousands of pips. I have recorded such videos, but at the end of the day, the most important is the consistency, because 20 pips a day is 400 pips a month. If you are trading the London and the New York session, that would be 800 pips a month. If you are in Asia, you could trade during the Tokyo Stock Exchange and the New York Stock Exchange. And if you trade with 0.1 lot, approximately you would be making somewhere between $15 and $20 per day, or $800 per month. If you are trading with a complete lot, that would be somewhere about $8,000 a month. So 20 pips a day is very reasonable challenge that I want you to take and practice daily. I'm doing it quite often, even I spend more time on algorithmic trading and robots nowadays, but nearly every day I find these 5 minutes to sit in front of the computer and trade different pairs with different setups. I will take the challenge right now. I'll move myself to the computer, I will open the trading platform, and I'll share my live Forex trading with you. I love to challenge myself from time to time, so let's do it. Hello everyone, Pet Alexander here. Hope you are having a great day, and I'm very happy to share some of my live trading with you. In front of me I have a live trading account with XM Broker, and I have funded it with a small amount, $753, just for the purpose of this video. But if you're taking this challenge, I would strongly suggest you to do it on a demo account, so you're not risking any money. Now here I have the Forex Profit Supreme meter, which is the only indicator I'll be using. It is a strength indicator, and it shows at any moment which are the strongest currencies and which are the weakest currencies. And it's very useful in times when you sit in front of the computer and you don't know what to trade. Having the Forex Profit Supreme meter will help you out choose the pairs, because on the left side we have the most bullish pairs and on the bottom we have the most bearish pairs. So during the London session, where I am recording right now, I'm usually focusing on euro and pound pairs. But with the pound, because we had speech from, let me show it to you, it's Wednesday, we had the MPC member speaking, and the pound did some fluctuations, like, let me show you what I mean, like these ones, right? Up, down, and then the market usually goes sideways until it finds its direction. So I stay away from the pound at time of recording this video. I'll put back the Euro Aussie, and I'm focusing usually on Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, and Euro New Zealand. If I'm trading the pound, then I'll be focusing on Pound Aussie, Pound New Zealand, and Pound CAD. Let's see how long time it will take me to set up the trades and start. What I will do, I will take a Fibonacci and I will draw it from the bottom to the top of the most recent move on M1 chart. Then I will do the very same thing on EuroCAD. Already we had some impulsive moves, but this is the very last one. I'm just looking at the last moves after I sit in front of the computer. If I zoom it, you will see how it looks like. Let me zoom a little bit the Euro New Zealand as well, and on Euro Aussie I have that retracement, okay, right in here. This is the last move and I'm waiting for the retracement. After that, what I will do, I will put pending orders on the Fibonacci retracements. So I will start with the Euro New Zealand, because I see it is the strongest in the Forex Profit Supreme meter, and I will put a sell limit. I will tap on it and I will put it right at the 61.8 level, okay? And what I will do, I will put a second sell limit order for the beginners. Sell limit is when we want to sell at a higher price from where the market sits now. Then what I will do, I will set stop loss and take profit. And for this case scenario, I will target not the lowest point where the price found the support, but just these bottoms over here, 169.71. Here it is. I will modify it and you will see where the take profit is. And my stop loss would be above the most recent high. And I will give it a few more pips, so 170.80 would be perfect. I will modify it and I will put it at 170.80. Alright, here we go. This is the stop loss, this is the take profit. I'll do the very same thing for the other trade. Stop loss is at 170.80, take profit is at 169.71, and I will modify it. Now I will do the very same thing for Euro CAD and for Euro Aussie. At the first one to enter, I will leave just that pair, okay? So Euro CAD is already at 61.8, so I will use the one-click trading and I will just sell it. Immediately I will remove the other pending orders because I don't want to get into two different pairs. And as well, what I will do, I will put another sell limit right at the 50 just in case the price retraces in there. Now I have to put quickly the stop loss and the take profit. The take profit again I will put a little bit above the most recent low, something like 131.58. I will go for modify or delete. Take profit 131.58, and my stop loss should be above the very recent high, or that would be 131.90, and I will modify it. Okay, here is the stop loss. Here is take profit. I will do the very same thing for the other order just in case the price reaches the 50 retracement. So stop loss here is 131.90 and take profit is at 131.58. I will modify it and here we go. This is how much time I'm spending to set up the trades, guys. And from there, I will just minimize MetaTrader. I'll spend the time on something else like editing the video, answering comments on my YouTube channel, or just spending time with my family and friends. There is no point of standing in front of the computer trembling to see how the trades will go. This is what I learned from algorithmic trading. Once the trades are open, there is stop loss and take profit. Forget about it. I'll do something else. So I will continue once this trade is closed, either in a stop loss or a take profit. Alright guys, so I continued the video after the trades were closed. You can see that both take profits were reached, and you can see how the price went up and down for some time, but eventually the take profit was reached. I will mark very quickly where I have entered. So first time was at 1 p.m. and 51 minutes. So here is the first trade. Okay, 1:51, here it is. And then I had the next one at 1:54, here we go. Okay, so here was the first retracement, the second one to the 50 level, and then the price retraced even to the 38.2 and the 23.6, went sideways for some time, and the take profit was reached at 3 p.m. and 8 minutes. Should be somewhere here, 3 p.m. and 8 minutes. Here we go. Now probably some of you will say, okay, why you didn't leave it go further and take bigger profits? See what happened after that with the market. I will zoom out. I went out to spend some time with my family. I did some additional work. I took my kid from the kindergarten and I came back now in the studio to record some more videos for one of my courses. But see where the price sits now. It is on a loss if I haven't placed take profit. So a small take profit is better than nothing. Remember that. And see how much I have made with the first trade, 131.68. Here we have 10 pips and 1 point, right? Then we have 131.71.3, 131.58 take profit. So that's 13 pips and 3 points. All in total, 23 pips and 4 points. So for me, As a trader, as a content creator, I'm working on different projects. At the end of the day, it matters how much time I'm spending for a certain amount of rewards, profits, benefits from whatever I am doing. Is it worth it for you to spend 5 minutes and earn 20 pips? 5 minutes is a time everyone can find, even if you are super busy, if you are trading just as a hobby, or if you are just starting out practicing and you are learning. Spend these 5 minutes during the London session, the New York session, or the Tokyo session, depending on what is your time zone, but don't do it like 10 times a day. I would suggest you to try it out just 2 or maximum 3 times per day. Anyway, you might burn out. Make sure you download the Forex Profit Supreme meter. It works on MetaTrader 4 and it is really useful indicator that you can combine with your own strategy, different setups, or other technical analysis that you are using. Check out all the links down below in the description. Let me know how this challenge went for you. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.